Hello, welcome to our channel. We're truly happy to share simple yet powerful ways to improve your health and transform your life naturally. Every video we create is designed to help you feel better, live stronger, and take control of your well-being. Today, we're talking about something very simple, something many people drink every day, but very few truly understand. Green tea. At first glance, it looks ordinary. Just a warm, light and akea, nothing special. But inside this simple cup lies one of nature's most powerful secrets, a secret that can slowly, quietly change your body from the inside. Have you ever felt like your body is heavy, slow, tired for no clear reason? Like no matter what you do, your energy just isn't enough. That feeling doesn't come from nowhere. Sometimes your body is overloaded with toxins, stress, and imbalance. And what it really needs is not something extreme. It needs something gentle, something natural. This is where green tea begins to work. Rich in powerful antioxidants, especially catechins, green tea helps your body fight harmful substances that build up over time. It supports your natural detox process, helping your system reset slowly, safely, effectively. You won't feel it instantly. But day by day, something starts to change. Your body feels lighter. Your mind feels clearer. Your energy becomes more stable. And then comes one of the biggest reasons people turn to green tea. Fat burning. Green tea naturally increases your metabolism, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. Not through stress, not through extreme diets, but through balance. It doesn't force your body. It works with your body. And that's the real difference. Instead of sudden results that disappear quickly, you get something deeper, a lasting transformation. But green tea is not only about weight loss. It sharpens your mind, improves your focus, gives you a calm, steady energy without the nervous spikes that coffee often brings. You feel alert but relaxed, focused but peaceful. And over time, its benefits go even further. Green tea supports your heart, protects your cells from damage, and may even help slow down aging. It's not just a drink, it's a daily investment in your future health. And the best part, it's incredibly simple. No expensive programs. No complicated routines. Just 1 or 2 cups a day. In the morning or during your day. And your body begins to respond. Because sometimes, the biggest changes in life don't come from something complicated. They come from small, consistent habits. Green tea is not magic. But if you stay consistent, it can feel like it is. Thank you for watching and taking a step toward a healthier life with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly helps us continue creating meaningful content for you. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Stay healthy, stay focused, and take care.